Hi, this is Sohel Sanwari. I am a sound designer with the film industry, Whistling Woods International Alumni. Well, Ungli was the first film with Dharma Productions, and subsequently I got Humpty as well. Ungli started in 2012 and released much later after Humpty already released. So that's why it's Humpty and Ungli. For me, it is Ungli and Humpty. Ungli was a great experience working with experienced actors, all veterans: Sanjay Dutt, Randeep Hooda, Kangna. Humpty was a new film, fresh, newcomers, Alia and Varun. So, totally different experience handling veterans and handling newcomers. Ungli was shot in Bombay, all live locations. So, it was quite a challenge for me to do my work because we were doing sync sound. This is what I mainly specialize in with sound design. So, getting the dialogues right, seeing to that we do minimum dubbing like 2% to 3%. So it was a challenge which I had to accept it and do it. Humpty, on the other hand, was mostly interiors. We shot in Khalsa College in Bombay, we shot in Tata Bungalow in Bombay. So interiors, then we shot in Chandigarh in a farm. So the experience was good over here, more of learning experience, more of fun experience on Humpty. Well, going into our diploma, we were doing everything sync sound. So it's sort of we collaborated so well. We didn't have the teacher-student issue at all. We were always friends who were sharing from the people who have more knowledge to we who have less knowledge. And if we had some unique thing, we would discuss it with them. So it was a great experience doing this. Rakesh ji gave me my first film called Paying Guest with Mukta Arts Limited. So the journey began from a raw student who came into Whistling Woods, had no clue what sound is, only knew what music was, had no clue how camera works, like how editing happens. From there, 2 years of thorough, rigorous exercises, lectures, theories, everything, to before passing out, giving me a film called Paying Guest and saying that, Sohel, you will do location sound on this film, and I hope you'll do a good job. And I accepted that as a challenge. And we started shooting Paying Guest. So this was a journey from a raw boy to getting a first film before you even passed out. I worked on a film called Harud, The Autumn. This was, I guess, my best work till now because I was creatively satisfied in this film. Giving a gist of the film, it was a film shot in Kashmir. The director didn't want any background music on this film. So I had already constraints. I had only one assistant with me over there. We were shooting in minus temperature. So new actors, experienced DOP who would want to shoot everything handheld, so we had no clue where the frame is, we had to just judge, boom kahan rakhna hai, mere ko kahan khada rehna hai, everything of that sort. So new experience again for me. There were times where I would just hang my Deva, hang the battery, and the boom man is running, there is someone who's holding the cable, I am running behind him. So it was a great experience shooting the film. When we came to post, we had few dialogues in the film, but the entire designing of the film had to be just effects and ambiences. And then we designed the whole thing together, and it was the opening film at Toronto Festival. It won National Award for Best Film in Urdu category. And this has to be one of my best works, which has creatively satisfied me. For all the aspiring sound engineers, the first thing that you need to know is don't be stubborn. Be very friendly with the entire gang. We come in the bottom of the pyramid, which is called filmmaking. The final step is sound. Just taking part in discussions, making sensible comments about what you are doing, giving some great suggestions which would help. This would all happen if you know your camera, you know your sound, you know your edit, you know your music. If you have no idea about angles and lenses, I guess you will not stand in a discussion when the director and DOP are talking about lensing and framing. If you have no idea about cuts, you will not be in a discussion with the editor and the director. When we are at the bottom, we need to make sure when we are designing the sound, the cut is right, the angle is right, because we need to create perspectives for that. So it's not only sound that we are learning when we are doing sound, it's the entire thing that the entire filmmaking that we need when we are doing a sound design. Never give up. If you want something, always make sure you get it. It's not by being stubborn, it's just by flexing yourself as to how you want it.